Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aha, a series about instant noodles. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button below to encourage and support me. Today, we will be preparing a mushroom noodles. Let's get into the video. First thing, what we're going to do is we're going to pre-cook those noodles. So we have taken a pan and we have added 2 cups of water, and we're going to allow this water to come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we will add 2 packets of instant noodles and cook it for 1 minute. Once the noodles is cooked, we will drain the water and keep the cooked noodles aside. Preheat the pan and add 5 grams of butter. Add half a teaspoon of garlic and stir it to infuse the flavor of the garlic. Now add half a teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon of onions. Fry till the onion gets glossy. Now add chopped capsicum and fry. Add the chopped oyster mushroom and chopped button mushrooms. Add some water to cook the mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add 1 packet of the seasoning and mix it. Now we will be adding the pre-cooked noodles and sprinkle another packet of the seasoning and mix it well. Add some spring onions. Our mushroom noodles is ready. Hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.